Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked eggnog donuts. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need, for the donuts, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of eggnog, any kind that you like, 1 teaspoon of rum extract, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Then for the glaze, you need a cup of powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of eggnog, and then 1/4 teaspoon of the rum extract. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm using a mini a mini donut pan, but you could use a regular pan. You just want to cook yours a little longer than me. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this with cooking spray and preheat my oven to 375. Alright, so first let's mix together our eggnog, the rum extract, the egg, oil, and sugar. And I'm just going to use a whisk to do that. I don't really think I need an electric mixer, so just go ahead and mix it until it's combined. Alright, that looks good to me, so we are going to go ahead and add in our flour, baking powder, and salt. And also mix that to combine. Alright, that seems nice and combined to me. I went ahead and used my whisk, and then I just finished off with a spatula. So next we are going to place this into a large Ziploc bag, cut off the end, and pipe it into our donut pan. Alright, my donuts are ready to go into the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. I had a couple little explosions with my generic Ziploc bags I had. So don't buy the generic gallon Ziploc bags because they just bust open. But so I was able to get 24 of the mini donuts, so they are filled kind of high though, so I could probably have gotten more than that. So I'm not sure if you make the regular size donuts how many you would be able to get, but so I'm cooking mine 6 to 8 minutes, so you would do probably 10 to 16 minutes if you're cooking them regular size. Just keep watching them. Alright, my donuts have about a minute left in the oven, so I'm going to get started on the glaze. So in a large bowl, I just have my 1 cup of powdered sugar, my 1/4 teaspoon of rum extract, and 2 of my tablespoons of eggnog. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix those together with a whisk and then see if I need to add another tablespoon of eggnog or not. It's just however you like your consistency to be on your glaze. Alright, my glaze looks pretty good to me. It's pretty thick, but I did add the 1/3 tablespoon of the eggnog to it. So my donuts just came out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool in their pan for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to move them to a cooling rack, but you want to dip them when they are still warm. Of course not hot where they're going to burn you, but you want them to be warm. So you just dip half of them and then just set them back up to set up, and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, all of my donuts have been dipped. I did have a little bit of glaze left, but it wasn't much. So I think we're just going to let those set up. And a tip, if you want to put something underneath your cooling rack, I did have a huge mess of glaze under there. So I'm just going to let these set up, and like I said, we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. You could also add some sprinkles before this dried if you want to, you know, make them festive for the holidays, but they look and smell so yummy. Also, I wanted to tell you that my mini donut pan made 30 of these. It has a 30 cave. I had no idea. I thought I had 24. But when I was getting them out, I noticed it's 30. So this will make 30. Alright, all of my donuts are transferred into my container, so I'm going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Nubby Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.